Hello, everybody. This is your friend, Brother Ro, coming to you from Financial Empowerment. And today, I just want to talk to you about the QQQ and the SPY. Yesterday, I did an option call on these two stocks. I have reoccurring investment of these both stocks. But yesterday, I bought 4 contracts, 2 with Microsoft, 1 with QQQ, and 1 with the SPY. So let's go right into the video. But before you do so, I'm sitting at a little over 500 subscribers. I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, leave a comment in the comment section, and there are a couple stocks for free when you sign up with the link in terms of using Robinhood and Webull. All right, let's move right into the video. I love the Nasdaq has outperformed the S&P, the Standard & Poor, over the past few years. And in the main ETFs, which is the QQQ, which have the 100 top tech stocks in the Nasdaq, and the SPY, which have the 500 top stocks in the Standard & Poor 500. So I have reoccurring investment because these stocks has gone up over the years consistently. Last year, the QQQ did about 40-something%. That's immaculate. I don't know if it can keep that up every year. Last year when folks stayed home, tech stocks like Zoom and DocuSign and Teladoc and these stocks went through the roof. And also the S&P did about 16%, I think, thereabout last year. But for the past 10 years, the QQQ has outperformed the SPY. Both stocks are great because it's a basket of stocks. They are ETFs, exchange traded funds. So if one stock fails, they have a bunch of others to give a cushion and to carry. I bought 4 contracts valued at almost $14,000, and I'm up already by about $700. So yeah, let's take a look and see. I'm gonna show you step by step how I did. Now, watch this. My value right now is $8,185. How much did I pay for this contract in October? October, the strike price was $290, and I paid $3,521. Okay? So I bought 1 contract. Look here, 1 contract that will expire on the 21st of January 2022. It's called a LEAP. What is a LEAP? It's a long-term equity anticipation security, and that's equivalent to like doing a call for over a year to 2 years. All right. Now, today my return was $68, and my total return is 132%, which is $4,664. Now, since this contract will expire in January of 22, I will get out and exit this contract maybe in the month of September, October. Okay, so my money has doubled. And of course, the Nasdaq has done well over the years. So I can sell this and put $4,665 in my account. How do I do this? I sell to close 1 contract, and it says minimum credit, which is $8,185. I pressed a review and I submit. If I do that right now, it's gone. Okay. So how I buy from the QQQ is that I looked at this simple chart. Yahoo Finance got a more pronounced chart, Seeking Alpha and so forth. But I just use the simple graph here. And I look at a year. And a year ago, August the 13th, this QQQ was trading at $272. And right now, it's trading at $368, about $96 more. Okay, and the trend is always going up. I would not trade a stock that is flat. I need some volatility and I need some growth. So this is perfect because the QQQ has Microsoft, Facebook, and so forth, and Amazon, and Google, the top tech stocks in the Nasdaq. I look at 5 years and look at the trend. It's always on the up and up. And if I were to go every year, from every year from 116 in August 16 to August 17, 141. If I move from 141 to August 18, 164. If I move from August 18 at 164 to August 19, 182. August 19 to August 20, 271. August 2020 to August 21, 316. So every year, this stock has been on the up and up for the past 5 years. All right, for the past 10 years, the QQQ has done about 21%. So this is pretty much safe. It's established. It's one of the most popular ETFs, the QQQ and the SPY, on the market. Okay, so now I'm not saying it's going to go up 40% every year, but I bought another contract, a leap, so to speak. I bought a leap in the QQQ, and let's go right now and see what it did. When did I bought it? August 12th. Today's the 13th. That was yesterday. I'm up already 5.33%. I'm up $204. So I paid $3,826, and now it's sitting at $4,030. It will expire not next year, but 2023. I have all of this year and all of next year that this stock, 100 tech stock, will grow and increase. It's a pretty safe investment. Now, there's a risk in all business and investment, but this is pretty consistent, track record, great history, well-run company, and it's a beautiful thing. Okay? Now, let's look at the SPY. Yesterday, the 12th, I paid one contract $3,548. $35.48. Everything in options is multiplied by 100. So I paid $3,548. It's sitting right now at $3,661. A return of $113, which is 3.18%. Okay? All right. Let's look at the QQQ, look at the SPY and see how it performed for the past year. For the past year, last year this time, it was sitting at $336. Now it's sitting at $445. Over $109 it went up by just for this year. Let's look at the past 5 years. 5 years ago, August, it was trading at $218. And almost every single year it went up. This is when the pandemic hit, it fell. So look right now, it's at $445. So I bought 4 contracts, one with the SPY, one with the QQQ. I bought 2 contracts and I paid $6,465. Well, today it's up by already $591, which is 9.14%. So when you add the profit of the QQQ, the SPY, and Microsoft, I'm up like about almost $900, or almost $1,000 rather, just from yesterday. Now, I'm not saying every day it's going to go up like that. So I can sell right now. I can do like this and put 2 contracts here. And I will cash out $7,056 in one day. I made close to $1,000. But why would I do that when I have till 2023 before it expires? So let's look. Microsoft is well run. They are seeing record-breaking profit. This is a solid company. Now you don't buy a leap in a company that is not performing well. You look at the fundamental, the technical analysis. You look at how well it's run. You look at the trend, the history, how it has performed over the years, and then you do that. All right. So for the year ago, it was trading at 208, and right now it's at 292. Let's look at it for the past 5 years. For the past 5 years, look at this chart here. It started off in August 2016 at $57.94, and right now it's at $292. So these are, even during the pandemic, even during the correction, it all recovered and they're doing well. Now, when I'm doing a long call, you have to be very careful because you could lose money too if you choose the wrong stock. I will never buy a long call, and let's say, for example, AT&T. Let's look at AT&T. And by the way, let me show you how you can buy a long call. You go to trade options here. You press here. This is you buy a call. You're not selling a put. You're buying a call. You buy a call. You buy a call. And this is at the money. And here you choose a date. I like to go long. I'm scared of the shorts. I lose money. I go to January 2023. That's almost 18 months. And I go one strike above the share price. So right now you would pay $32.55 to buy a Microsoft, to buy a Leap. All right? $32.55. But I paid $35.23. But I'm ahead already. Okay? So it's a beautiful thing. So let's look at AT&T. I'm just looking at AT&T. I have 200 shares with AT&T. I think I'm going to sell it and reinvest that money because AT&T merged and they're going to cut dividend. So let's look at AT&T. See? $30. A year later, it's trading at $28. This stock is very flat. This is not a good stock to do a leap or long call. I would not do options with this stock. There is no volatility. It's flat. There's not much growth here. So you have to choose your stock carefully when you're doing long option calls, which is leaps. Okay? Okay. All right. So this is your friend, Brother Rowe, saying that options is stocks on steroids, and with a leap and a long call, your profit is unlimited, and people have made thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars doing leaps. One has to be careful. One has to know what they're doing, and in all options, there's an element of risk. But I feel this is a pretty much stable company, Microsoft, and I'm up 9% already, and the day is not even over as yet. Okay, this is your friend, Brother Rowe, saying, have a blessed day. Stay safe. Focus forward. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now.